Have you ever felt a strange, pulsing, almost shimmering sensation rippling through your body as you lie in bed at night? It's not a muscle twitch, not a shiver from the cold, but an inexplicable energy signature, a feeling of being subtly, yet powerfully retuned from the inside out. What if these nocturnal vibrations aren't just random neurological misfires, but instead, the echoes of your very DNA beginning to stir to unwind limitations, rewrite old programs, and activate latent potentials long thought lost or even imaginary? Could these nightly occurrences be a signal that you are on the verge of an evolutionary leap? These sensations could be a profound message from within, whispering of possibilities that extend far beyond the conventional understanding of what your genes are capable of. Think of your DNA not as a static, immutable code, but as a dynamic, responsive network and antenna capable of receiving and transmitting subtle energies, a library filled with untold stories waiting to be read. What if the stresses of modern life, the toxins in our environment, and the limiting beliefs we unconsciously absorb are actively suppressing the full expression of your DNA, and these nighttime vibrations are your body's ingenious way of pushing back against those constraints, striving to unlock what has always been within you? As the sun sets and the world around you falls silent, your body initiates a profound symphony of repair and regeneration, an alchemical process where cellular damage is reversed, memories are consolidated, and perhaps most significantly, your DNA has the opportunity to restructure and revitalize itself. During these precious hours of darkness, the pineal gland, often hailed as the gateway to higher consciousness, becomes increasingly active, releasing a surge of melatonin, a hormone not only essential for restorative sleep, but also deeply involved in DNA protection and repair, creating an optimal environment for genetic repatterning. What role does this master hormone have in your awakening? Understanding and harnessing these vibrations could be the key to unlocking a life of unprecedented vitality, enhanced intuition, and boundless creativity. Imagine awakening each day with a deep sense of purpose, a laser-like clarity of mind, and an unshakable connection to your inner wisdom. As you navigate the complexities of modern existence, this heightened awareness and resilience can empower you to overcome challenges with grace, manifest your deepest desires with ease, and live a life that is truly aligned with your soul's calling. This is how you become master of your life, but the implications extend far beyond the individual. As more and more people awaken to the power of their DNA, a powerful ripple effect begins to spread throughout the collective consciousness, accelerating the evolution of our species and ushering in a new era of peace, harmony, and planetary well-being. This isn't some new age fantasy. It's a recognition that we are all interconnected, that each individual's transformation contributes to the healing and elevation of the whole. This potential for massive change has been understood by leaders of culture throughout the ages. For millennia, this profound understanding of DNA's dynamic potential has been closely guarded, passed down through secret societies, mystery schools, and esoteric traditions, veiled in symbolism and accessible only to initiates. Now, as humanity stands on the cusp of a new paradigm, this ancient wisdom is being revealed to those who are ready to hear it, to those who dare to question the limitations of conventional science and embrace the extraordinary possibilities that lie dormant within. Are you prepared to step into that power? Throughout this video, we'll embark on a journey to empower you to become the architect of your own genetic destiny, to transform your life from the inside out, and to awaken to the profound truth that you are an integral part of a vast and interconnected web of life. We will uncover the science of DNA and the ancient spiritual practices that influence it. But first, let's lay some groundwork. At its core, your DNA is an intricate and elegant double helix, a microscopic blueprint containing all the instructions necessary to create and sustain life. While scientists have successfully mapped the vast majority of this code, a significant portion, often referred to as junk DNA, remains shrouded in mystery. But what if this so-called junk is not junk at all, but rather a vast, untapped reservoir of potential, a hidden code waiting to be deciphered, a set of dormant switches waiting to be flipped? What if that junk is the power button? The emerging field of epigenetics is revolutionizing our understanding of genetics, revealing that our genes are not fixed and immutable, but are constantly being influenced by a complex interplay of environmental factors, lifestyle choices, and even our thoughts and emotions. This means that you have the power to rewrite your genetic story, to activate dormant potentials, and to shape your destiny in ways you never thought possible. This ability to change your genetic expression is the key to DNA activation. Over the next few minutes, we'll delve into the science behind sleep cycles and their impact on DNA repair, explore the hidden dangers of electromagnetic fields and other environmental toxins, and uncover the ancient practices from meditation to breathwork to sound healing that hold the key to unlocking your DNA's full potential. Pay close attention to when, where, and how you experience these vibrations. Do they intensify during specific sleep phases? Do they seem to correlate with certain thoughts, emotions, or even environmental factors? The answers lie within you, waiting to be discovered. What have you been missing? But what exactly is causing these vibrations? Why do they seem to intensify at night? And most importantly, what is their purpose? Are they simply random occurrences, or are they a sign of something truly extraordinary unfolding within you? Could these vibrations be your first glimpse into a hidden dimension of reality, a realm of subtle energies and interconnectedness that has been veiled from our conscious awareness? By understanding these sensations, you can begin to peel back the layers of illusion and awaken to your true potential. What truths might you discover? Could these vibrations be related to the awakening of Kundalini energy, the serpent power that lies dormant at the base of the spine, waiting to rise and ignite the higher centers of consciousness? Or perhaps they are signs that your chakras are aligning, allowing for greater energy flow, emotional balance, and spiritual awareness. Later in this video, we'll reveal practical techniques for enhancing DNA activation, including simple lifestyle adjustments, powerful meditation practices, and ancient secrets that can help you unlock your genetic potential and experience a life of extraordinary purpose and fulfillment. The journey to unlock your hidden potential begins now, with the simple act of questioning what you think you know. As we venture deeper into the mysteries of nighttime vibrations, it's crucial to understand that your DNA isn't a static blueprint etched in stone, but rather a dynamic, ever-evolving molecule, more akin to a responsive musical instrument that resonates with the subtle energies of your environment, your experiences, and even your thoughts. Imagine your DNA as a complex, intricate tapestry, where each thread represents a gene, and the colors represent the degree to which that gene is expressed. Epigenetics, in essence, is the art of weaving this tapestry, the master control system that dictates which genes are brought to the forefront and which remain dormant. Key players in this epigenetic dance are DNA methylation and histone modification molecular switches that can turn genes on or off, much like a conductor leading an orchestra, determining which instruments play and when. Methylation, for example, acts like a silencer, attaching a chemical tag to DNA that often blocks the transcription of a gene, preventing it from being expressed. Imagine a gene responsible for heightened intuition being effectively muted by methylation, keeping you from accessing your full potential. Histone modification, on the other hand, involves altering the structure of the proteins around which DNA is wound, either loosening or tightening their grip. This controls the accessibility of genes to the cellular machinery that reads and expresses them. These epigenetic switches are not predetermined. They're highly sensitive to external factors, acting as antennae that receive and translate environmental cues into specific genetic responses. Consider the impact of chronic stress. Elevated levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, can trigger methylation of tumor suppressor genes, effectively silencing your body's natural defenses against cancer. Similarly, exposure to environmental toxins, such as pollutants in the air or chemicals in processed foods, can lead to histone modifications that promote inflammation and suppress immune function. Even something as seemingly innocuous as a lack of sleep can disrupt epigenetic patterns, increasing the risk of metabolic disorders and cognitive decline. These modifications can have impacts that last decades. Think about it. Every breath you take, every bite you eat, every thought you think is subtly rewriting your genetic code, influencing not only your own health and well-being, but also that of future generations. Studies on multi-generational epigenetic inheritance have revealed that the effects of famine or trauma experienced by one generation can be passed down to subsequent generations, impacting their susceptibility to disease and their behavioral patterns. This understanding brings us to a crucial point. Modern lifestyles, characterized by chronic stress, environmental toxins, and poor dietary choices, may be actively suppressing the expression of beneficial genes, hindering our ability to thrive and reach our full potential. For instance, individuals living in high-stress urban environments often exhibit increased methylation of genes associated with resilience and emotional regulation, making them more vulnerable to anxiety and depression. This suppression creates a cascade of negative effects, impacting sleep quality, hormone production, and ultimately, the body's ability to repair and regenerate itself at night. What if the key to revering this trend lies in consciously cultivating an environment that supports optimal epigenetic expression, unlocking the dormant potential within our DNA? By counteracting the suppression, are we able to turn the junk DNA into usable, meaningful DNA? As darkness descends and your body prepares for sleep, a remarkable transformation begins to unfold at the cellular level. During these hours of rest, your body's natural repair processes kick into high gear, working diligently to mend damaged DNA and restore cellular integrity. This nighttime repair symphony is orchestrated by a team of specialized enzymes that become increasingly active during sleep, meticulously scanning your DNA for errors and initiating the necessary repairs. Mismatch repair, for example, corrects errors that occur when DNA is copied during cell division, while base excision repair removes damaged or modified bases caused by oxidative stress or environmental toxins. Nucleotide excision repair, on the other hand, tackles larger, more complex DNA lesions caused by UV radiation or chemical exposure. Sufficient sleep is not a luxury. It is a biological imperative, essential for ensuring the efficient and effective operation of these critical repair mechanisms. Specific sleep cycles, particularly REM, rapid eye movement, and deep sleep, are associated with distinct brainwave frequencies that may be particularly conducive to DNA activation and repair. During REM sleep, your brainwaves oscillate at theta frequencies, 47 Hz, a state associated with heightened creativity, intuition, and access to the subconscious mind. This state is where dreams become extremely vivid. It has been proposed that this frequency allows you to unlock parts of your brain not available in a normal waking state. Deep sleep, characterized by delta waves, 54 Hz, promotes profound relaxation, cellular regeneration, and the release of growth hormone, a key player in tissue repair and DNA synthesis. The pineal gland, our master regulator of sleep, releases melatonin, a powerful antioxidant that not only promotes restful sleep, but also directly protects DNA from oxidative damage. Melatonin essentially prepares the cellular environment, reducing cellular stress and creating the optimal environment for DNA repair. Think of it as a tune-up for your genetic machinery, a nightly opportunity to restore and revitalize your DNA at the deepest levels. Furthermore, the circadian rhythm, our internal biological clock, plays a critical role in regulating hormone production and sleep-wake cycles, ensuring that these repair processes occur at the optimal time. Exposure to artificial light at night disrupts the circadian rhythm, suppressing melatonin production and interfering with the body's natural repair mechanisms. This disruption not only impairs sleep quality, but also increases the risk of DNA damage and cellular dysfunction. The sun is the single source of light that our bodies were designed to receive. Our modern schedules are often at odds with the natural cycles of light and dark. To what extent do we suffer because of this? Sleep, therefore, is far more than just a period of rest. It is an active and essential process for DNA repair, cellular regeneration, and the maintenance of optimal health. Are you optimizing your sleep so that you can enhance your body's self-repair? What if the quality of your sleep directly determines the vitality and resilience of your DNA? While sleep offers a natural window for DNA repair and activation, our modern environment often bombards us with a barrage of toxins that can disrupt these processes and directly damage our genetic material. Exposure to electromagnetic fields, EMFs, emitted by electronic devices, Wi-Fi routers, and cell towers has been shown to interfere with sleep cycles, disrupt hormone production, and induce oxidative stress, leading to DNA damage. Studies have linked EMF exposure to increased DNA strand breaks, chromosomal aberrations, and impaired DNA repair capacity. The evidence is only just emerging, but what if there is a direct relationship between EMFs and DNA integrity? Artificial blue light, emitted by screens and energy-efficient light bulbs, further exacerbates these effects by suppressing melatonin production and disrupting the circadian rhythm, creating a double whammy that compromises both sleep quality and DNA repair. Beyond EMFs and blue light, a plethora of other environmental toxins, including pesticides, heavy metals, and volatile organic compounds, VOCs, can wreak havoc on our DNA, contributing to oxidative stress, inflammation, and epigenetic modifications that suppress beneficial gene expression. Oxidative stress, an imbalance between the production of free radicals and the body's ability to neutralize them, is a major culprit in DNA damage, leading to mutations, chromosomal instability, and an increased risk of cancer and other diseases. The damage happens on a cellular level. The free radicals steal electrons from healthy cells, causing a chain reaction of damage. What steps are you taking to minimize the impact of oxidative stress? Furthermore, the modern diet, often laden with processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats, can further compromise DNA health by promoting inflammation, disrupting gut health, and altering DNA methylation patterns. High sugar consumption, for example, has been shown to increase DNA methylation at specific gene promoters, leading to the downregulation of genes involved in metabolism and immune function. Processed foods, often devoid of essential nutrients and packed with artificial additives, can further contribute to oxidative stress and inflammation, exacerbating DNA damage. Poor nutrition can lead to the downregulation of genes responsible for detoxification and cellular repair, further compounding the problem. Therefore, it is critical to recognize that these environmental factors actively hinder the body's natural repair and activation processes, creating a significant challenge to overcome. The suppression of our DNA is not merely a passive process. It is an active assault on our genetic integrity, requiring conscious effort to counteract and mitigate its effects. However, even amidst this onslaught of modern-day stressors, there lies a beacon of hope, the ancient wisdom encoded in spiritual practices like meditation, yoga, qigong, and breathwork. These practices, honed over millennia, were designed to manipulate energy flow, prana, kai, within the body, and emerging research suggests that this energy flow may directly influence DNA expression, unlocking dormant potential and promoting healing. By understanding that everything is energy, what would change about how you view your own life? Meditation, for example, has been shown to alter brainwave frequencies, reduce stress hormones like cortisol, and promote relaxation, creating an internal environment conducive to DNA repair and activation. EEG studies have demonstrated that regular meditation practice can increase alpha and theta brainwave activity, promoting a state of calm focus and enhanced access to the subconscious mind. This state of heightened awareness may facilitate the release of emotional blockages and limiting beliefs that can negatively impact DNA expression. Furthermore, meditation has been shown to increase telomerase activity, an enzyme that protects and lengthens telomeres, the protective caps at the end of our chromosomes, which are associated with longevity and cellular health. Meditation, in essence, is an internal cellular workout. Yoga postures and breathwork techniques can stimulate specific energy centers, chakras, meridians, and improve circulation, potentially enhancing cellular function and DNA health. Specific yoga postures, such as inversions, can increase blood flow to the brain, promoting cellular regeneration and cognitive function. Breathwork techniques, such as diaphragmatic breathing, can stimulate the vagus nerve, activating the parasympathetic nervous system and promoting relaxation, reducing stress hormones, and improving sleep quality. These practices can help to clear energy blockages and restore balance to the body's energy field, creating a more harmonious environment for DNA expression. These have been refined over thousands of years to do just that. These ancient practices provide a powerful pathway to unlocking dormant genetic potential through conscious energy manipulation, offering a counterpoint to the suppressive effects of modern lifestyles. By consciously engaging with these practices, you can begin to rewrite your genetic story, activating genes associated with resilience, intuition, and optimal health. Consider this: the ability to consciously influence your DNA expression is not a futuristic fantasy. It is a tangible reality that is within your reach, waiting to be embraced. What if the key to unlocking your full potential lies not in altering your genes, but in learning to master the art of epigenetic expression, consciously shaping your genetic destiny through the power of intention, awareness, and ancient wisdom? Can you truly rise above all limitations? So, how can you harness this knowledge and actively enhance your nighttime DNA activation? The first step lies in optimizing your sleep environment and adopting healthy sleep hygiene practices. Establish a consistent sleep schedule, going to bed and waking up at the same time each day, even on weekends, to regulate your circadian rhythm. Create a dark, quiet, and cool sleep environment, free from distractions and electronic devices. Use blackout curtains or an eye mask to block out artificial light, and consider using a white noise machine or earplugs to minimize noise pollution. A consistent sleep schedule is the foundation for everything that will follow. Minimizing your exposure to EMFs in the bedroom is crucial. Turn off your Wi-Fi router at night and keep electronic devices, such as cell phones and tablets, away from your bed. Consider using EMF shielding devices, such as EMF blocking blankets or canopies, to further reduce your exposure. Grounding, or earthing, involves connecting directly to the Earth's natural electrical charge by walking barefoot on grass or using grounding mats while you sleep. Studies have shown that grounding can reduce inflammation, improve sleep quality, and promote overall well-being. Grounding essentially allows the Earth to soak up all of the extra electrons that we build up throughout the day. Consider what the lack of grounding has done to the human race. Dietary changes can also play a significant role in supporting DNA repair and reducing inflammation. Focus on eating plenty of fruits and vegetables, rich in antioxidants and phytonutrients, which help to protect DNA from oxidative damage. Avoid processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats, which can contribute to inflammation and disrupt gut health. Consider taking supplements that support DNA repair, such as melatonin, magnesium, and antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E. Eating a diet designed to support DNA repair involves eating foods that are naturally found on Earth and contain naturally occurring compounds. What better way is there to strengthen your body? Finally, incorporate simple meditation and breathwork techniques into your bedtime routine to promote relaxation and prepare your body for sleep and repair. Practice a few minutes of mindfulness meditation, focusing on your breath and gently observing your thoughts and emotions without judgment. Try alternate nostril breathing, Nadi Shodhana, to balance the nervous system and promote relaxation. These simple yet powerful techniques can help to calm your mind, reduce stress, and create an internal environment conducive to DNA activation and repair. By implementing these practical techniques, you can transform your bedroom into a sanctuary for sleep and regeneration, actively supporting your body's natural ability to repair and revitalize your DNA each night. Remember, small, consistent actions will always trump grand gestures done sporadically, but the journey to unlocking your genetic potential extends beyond the purely physical realm. Your emotional and mental states also play a crucial role in shaping your DNA expression. Negative emotions, limiting beliefs, and subconscious programming can act as epigenetic brakes, suppressing beneficial gene expression and increasing the risk of disease. It is not enough to simply think positively when the subconscious programming does not support that line of thinking. Chronic stress, anxiety, and depression can lead to epigenetic changes that suppress genes associated with immune function, cognitive function, and emotional resilience. These changes can create a vicious cycle where negative emotions perpetuate further epigenetic suppression, hindering your ability to thrive and reach your full potential. It is vital to address these underlying emotional and mental patterns to truly unlock your genetic potential. How can you actively manage negative programming? Techniques for subconscious reprogramming, such as affirmations, visualizations, and emotional freedom techniques, EFT, can help to shift limiting beliefs and promote positive gene expression. Affirmations, positive statements that are repeated regularly, can help to rewire your brain and create new neural pathways that support positive beliefs and behaviors. Visualizations, creating mental images of your desired outcomes, can activate the subconscious mind and program it for success. EFT, a tapping technique that combines acupressure with psychological principles, can help to release emotional blockages and reduce stress, promoting emotional balance and positive gene expression. These techniques reprogram the subconscious mind by interrupting negative loops and creating new neural pathways that support positive beliefs and behaviors. Ultimately, maintaining optimal DNA health requires a holistic approach that encompasses physical, emotional, and mental well-being. By cultivating emotional balance, practicing self-awareness, and reprogramming limiting beliefs, you can create an internal environment that supports positive gene expression and unlocks your full potential. Your ability to take control of your health, well-being, and genetic potential is the most important thing you can do. You can become the master of your own destiny. Now, let's explore the fascinating connection between the collective consciousness and individual DNA activation, and discover how we can harness the power of group intention to accelerate the evolution of our species. So, as you lie in bed at night, experiencing those peculiar vibrations, recognize that these sensations are not mere random occurrences, but potentially profound indicators of DNA activation, a dynamic, ever-unfolding process deeply influenced by a symphony of factors both within you and in the world around you. Epigenetics, that master weaver of our genetic tapestry, orchestrates the dance of gene expression, responding to the subtle cues of our environment, our emotions, and our lifestyles. Sleep cycles, especially REM and deep sleep, provide the fertile ground for DNA repair and cellular regeneration, allowing our bodies to mend the genetic fabric that sustains us. Environmental toxins, like insidious saboteurs, actively suppress our DNA potential, hindering our ability to thrive and reach our full expression. And yet, ancient practices, like time-tested keys, unlock the dormant potential within, harmonizing our energy flow and activating genes associated with resilience and well-being. Even our emotional states, those hidden currents of our inner world, can profoundly shape our genetic destiny, either suppressing or amplifying the expression of our innate gifts. DNA, therefore, is not a fixed, immutable blueprint, but a fluid, responsive system that is exquisitely sensitive to our conscious influence. It's not a pre-written script, but a dynamic narrative waiting to be co-authored. What was once considered an unchangeable fate is now emerging as a landscape of possibilities, shaped by the choices we make each day. Consider the impact of EMF exposure. Modern life immerses us in a sea of electromagnetic fields that can disrupt sleep cycles, induce oxidative stress, and ultimately damage our DNA. This is the suppression. Yet, ancient wisdom and emerging science reveal that practices like grounding, meditation, and mindful breathing can mitigate these harmful effects, promoting DNA repair and cellular regeneration. This is the revelation. By consciously reducing EMF exposure, incorporating grounding techniques into our daily routines, and cultivating a practice of meditation and breathwork, we can actively activate our DNA's innate capacity for healing and resilience. This is the activation, but the significance of DNA activation extends far beyond the realm of individual well-being. It ripples outward, contributing to a positive shift in the collective consciousness and the evolution of our planet. As more individuals awaken to their innate potential and embrace a more conscious way of being, a powerful field of positive intention is created, influencing the energetic landscape and accelerating the transformation of our world. The journey of DNA activation is not merely a personal quest, but a vital chapter in the unfolding story of humanity, a story of awakening, of empowerment, and of the rediscovery of our inherent divinity. By understanding that the whole is greater than the sum of its parts, we can consciously support the whole and change the landscape on a global scale. Remember, you are not a passive bystander in this grand unfolding. You are an active participant, a co-creator of your reality. You possess the innate power to take control of your health, your well-being, and even your genetic destiny through conscious choices and actions. By embracing practices that support DNA repair, cultivating positive emotional states, and connecting with the wisdom of ancient traditions, you can unlock the dormant potential within and step into a new paradigm of thriving. You are in control of your genetic destiny. The seemingly disparate realms of science and spirituality are not mutually exclusive, but rather complementary paths to understanding the multifaceted nature of reality and unlocking the boundless potential that resides within each and every one of us. They are two sides of the same coin, different languages describing the same underlying truth. That we are all interconnected, that energy flows through all things, and that we have the power to shape our reality through conscious intention. Now, if you still harbor a seed of skepticism, remember that the scientific basis for DNA activation is grounded in solid research. Epigenetics demonstrates the profound influence of environmental factors on gene expression. Studies on brainwave frequencies reveal the power of meditation and altered states of consciousness to promote healing and regeneration. Hormonal influence highlights the crucial role of sleep and circadian rhythms in DNA repair. And advancements in our understanding of DNA repair mechanisms continue to unveil the intricate processes by which our bodies mend and revitalize our genetic code. So why do these body vibrations occur at night? It's the culmination of DNA repair, hormonal shifts, and subconscious activity, all converging during the hours of rest and regeneration. To enhance your nighttime DNA activation, consistently implement actionable steps. Prioritize optimal sleep quality by creating a dark, quiet, and cool sleep environment. Minimize EMF exposure by turning off electronic devices and using shielding technologies. Support DNA repair through a diet rich in antioxidants and phytonutrients. Cultivate positive emotional states through meditation, breathwork, and subconscious reprogramming techniques. Practice a few minutes of gratitude before bed, allowing yourself to drift off into slumber in peace. By consistently applying these techniques, you can anticipate tangible results: increased energy, heightened intuition, improved sleep, and a profound sense of purpose. Imagine waking each day feeling more vibrant, more connected, and more aligned with your true potential. These benefits are not mere fantasies. They are the natural consequences of aligning with the body's innate healing capabilities and unlocking the dormant power within your DNA. In future explorations, we could delve into the fascinating world of specific genetic mutations, unravel the secrets of advanced meditation techniques, explore the controversial role of psychedelics in DNA activation, investigate subtle energy technologies, or further illuminate the wisdom encoded within ancient mystery schools. There is a whole world of exploration ahead of us. Now I encourage you to share your experiences in the comments below, to ask questions, and to support one another on this journey of discovery. What shifts have you noticed since consciously working to activate your DNA? What challenges have you encountered, and how have you overcome them? Let us create a community of support and encouragement, empowering one another to unlock our full potential. What other hidden potentials lie dormant within our DNA, waiting to be awakened? How can we create a world that supports the full expression of human potential? A world where every individual is empowered to thrive and shine. These are the questions that will guide us forward, inspiring us to continue exploring the boundless mysteries of DNA activation and its potential to transform ourselves and our world. So, take the first step. Embrace a new way of being, activate your DNA, and remember, the power to unlock your full potential lies within you, waiting to be unleashed. Like, subscribe, and share this video to ignite the spark of awakening in others. Your body holds the secrets to the universe.